5.7. This the wrapper gun, them blue tips. Hold on, Nick. What you shooting?
The FN 5.7 as compared to the Ruger 5.7.
So you about to shoot that so you could prove that the Ruger is better, right?
No, sir.
Almost like that. We'll prove one of them, right?
All right, let's get it. Oh, is that a malfunction?
We did have a malfunction.
Oh, man.
Have something to do with
Might
the
be
magazine,
some of them old rounds in there.
Oh, man.
That's that do not buy FN America rounds. Yeah.
Roger.
Yeah,
Roger.
yeah.
Okay, so we got an
Yep.
No,
And
sorry,
after
I'm
that-
recording all of this. Because the Ruger better.
Hard to believe how many rounds is in that thing.
That's at least what, 25?
30.
30?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that 30 shots, really clean. Except for one malfunction, a little minor. Top-notch recoil management.
That malfunction was not minor.
Guide rod right there. And what that does is it equalizes, well, it puts extra tension down there. So instead of like a normal guide rod where it's round so the slide can chuck a little bit, this one keeps it really nice and flat. I don't want to point the, well, you know what, we can clear it out. For all the YouTube commandos, no rounded chamber. You can see grass through there. You can go ahead and see that's a T-shaped rod in there. That really helps keep the recoil going straight forward and backward. The slide is polymer, so there's less inertia going back, so you feel the recoil much, much less. And let's compare to the Ruger.
Yeah, which is better? Just so you know.
Now we got the Ruger standard round guide rod. They did save some inertia on the slide to save some weight up here by cutting this out. Barrel's not ported, but the location of safety on this one, which I didn't mention on the FN, this one's a more standard safety placement. So if you run a gun with a safety already, it's right where you're familiar with.
Yeah, versus that weird button
On the FN, it's right where your trigger finger should be when you're not ready to shoot. I do like that control. Let's go ahead and see the recoil management on the Ruger 5.7.
Come on, let's check it out. Time to prove that Ruger's better.
And the recoil management is terrible. Just to let everybody know. On the Ruger.
Don't miss. I see the dimple showing, that smile. That was a much better experience, wasn't it?
I feel like the grip is somewhat more comfortable, not quite as much to grip onto as the FN, but it is much smoother. Beveled in the front here for easy holstering and unholstering, unlike the FN. I gotta say,
Come on, Nick. Pick one.
gotta give it to the FN.
Gotta give it
I don't know about the price though. When price is considered, all things considered,
No,
I
all
gotta give it
things
to the
considered.
Ruger.
Okay.
Performance-wise, I gotta give it to the FN, but that's
Man, that
should be
old
expected.
plastic man, get off my camera. I had to make this video real quick before I put the guns away to let y'all know the Ruger is way better than the FN.
He's lying.
Here he go.
He's
Here
lying.
he go.
You
No,
know he's
this
lying.
is way better
This is
than
better
this.
than
We
that.
don't want to. We don't want to hear
I'm
that.
not gonna lie. When I felt this though, I love metal, and I felt that, and I was like, I like that.
This, bro, this, and
I-
how much was that?
At the time, 1,000.
Man, see, and it's like
I see these for
1,400
like,
now.
yeah. Especially the tech. These is like 600-700 right now.
Right, that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. But
Yeah.
that's
You look at
that's almost double.
There it is, right there.
That's
There's the
almost
shell.
double.
Yeah,
This better.
yeah.
It's better.
I really contemplated on getting 2 of these instead of 1 of these.
That's what I'm saying.
Because it was like a 5.7's a 5.7.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
that's this better.
Yeah.
So when y'all watch this video, make sure y'all
Just
get
know
this.
this is better.
This is better.
one.
No, don't listen to Sam, dog.
You got a couple extra dollars. This the one.
Hey, listen, man. Listen, hey, put them dollars on that ammo, cause you gonna need it.